It's a 2015 Ford Explorer. Aptly named, handsomely appointed. When people talk about the beautiful scenery, they'll be talking about this Explorer too. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, first and second row sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and V6 engine. New Car Test Drive writes, for many years the Ford Explorer has been one of the best-selling SUVs in the market. A capable tow vehicle and off-roader, the Explorer also offers the generous interior space, comfort features, and safety technologies necessary for day-to-day tasks. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Dorsch Ford Lincoln Kia, we have 2 convenient locations in Green Bay and look forward to serving you.